Oh, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eibol, and today's video is going to be exploring the Hawaii's National Volcano Park. And it's beautiful, so I'm going to try to show you some of that. As well as it's also my birthday, so we're going to celebrate my birthday together. And I hope you enjoy the video. So, let's go! I don't know.
Where are we going, Abelardo?
Rainbow Falls!
Look at it, and then I'm the one that makes him mad. Look at it, people.
Rainbow Falls! Beware of falling coconuts. That would be kind of epic, actually. Look at this cute turtle, only one arm, and it's arriving in nature. I'm gonna go to sleep here and wake up in the morning here.
I like it too. Chaka. I don't think I've seen lava in the past, and it's just crazy to think that at one point all of this was a burning lake essentially, and it just dried up.
What are you drinking there?
Pina colada. I've been trying to drink it this entire trip, and it just happens that they just happen to have it here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Abelardo. Happy birthday to you. Tell us how you feel about your birthday and turning 28.
I'm excited. I think I'm spending it at a really nice place, so I look forward to applying to medical school and seeing how that goes. It's going to be interesting to see what comes in the next few months and few years in terms of politics, you know, who's going to be president.
Is there anything else you would like to say about today or the Hawaii trip?
So I guess like in terms of like the volcanoes themselves, I feel like what I really wanted to see is lava flowing, and you're not going to see lava flowing if you come to the Big Island at the moment because there's no lava flowing anywhere.
Do you recommend people to come visit?
Yes and no. Yes, because it's beautiful, and no, because it seems like there's not a lot of tourists here, so...
You want it to be what? You want it to be more local, more authentic?
More local. Do you have any thoughts?
I'm just thankful for today and for this trip because, like you said, there's so much going on back at home, and there's so much uncertainty right now. Trying to enjoy it as much as possible while it lasts, and then going back to reality and quarantining ourselves. And also, I'm happy to spend your birthday with you.
What are you looking at, sir? What's so pretty?
It's majestic.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God. This green sand.
We have all of Green Beach to ourselves. I love the Big Island. That truck ride was so bumpy and it really hurt me really bad. Look at my bruises. Thank you so much for watching my video and for all of the support. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love interacting with every one of you. And just a reminder that every video I do a post notification shout out and I give $20 to the person who gets the shout out. So this video's post notification shout out goes to Razan Bayon. I'll be sending you $20. And honestly, this run just made me fall in love with the island that much more. And yep, see you next video. Bye bye. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.